how to use My Health Pays rewards card at Walmart. Now you can use it, but only some items are eligible. So you gotta know which items are eligible. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, you have to check your balance. Before you shop, make sure to check the balance on your My Health Pays rewards card. You can do this by logging into your account on your health plan's member portal or calling the number on the back of the card. Now, as for the eligible purchases, you can use the card for a variety of health-related items and services at Walmart, including groceries, health products, baby products, and household items. Note, the card cannot be used to buy tobacco, alcohol, firearms, or gift cards. At checkout, when you're done shopping, you want to go to checkout and present your My Health Pays rewards card to the cashier. Swipe your rewards card as you would with a debit card and use it to pay for the eligible items. The card will automatically apply to items that are covered. You can also use it online. In some cases, you may be able to use your My Health Pays card online at walmart.com. You will need to enter your card details as you would with a regular debit card during the checkout process. However, be aware that the same restrictions apply to online purchases. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.